The beginner-friendly, three-step blueprint that students use to generate as much as 10,000 plus in their very first month. It requires $0 investment and only 30 minutes of work. Hello, and a pleasant day to all of our loyal viewers. Welcome back to our Jewels moment, Wellness Warriors Vibrant Balance, and Astute Inspire channels. Are you a student pursuing financial independence? Tired of get-rich-quick schemes that promise everything but deliver nothing? I'm sharing a three-step approach that students like you use to generate 10,000 plus in their first month with affiliate marketing. Best part? It's free in 30 minutes. Intrigued? You are. Let's face it, can you make money online for free? Yes, sure. Advertise others' products and be paid for each sale via affiliate marketing. Regardless of cash or skill, anybody can apply this powerful business idea. Blueprint 3 steps now for the good stuff. The plan contains 3 essential steps. Choose a path to promote a product. Great. Or are you drawn to TikTok traffic? We'll explain both options and help you choose one for your audience and interests. Expert mechanics. Learn how to find high-converting products, develop engaging content, and assess affiliate marketing results. The magic happens here. Earn and prosper. We'll simplify payment and provide success secrets. Learn to avoid errors, increase earnings, and sustain your affiliate business. Bonus tip. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. This blueprint provides a solid foundation, but be prepared to put in the effort and learn as you go. Ready to unlock your financial potential with affiliate marketing? Click the link in our description or our pinned comment below to access the free downloadable guide that expands on this blueprint and provides even more valuable resources. And if today's video brought value to your day, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more wealth and wellness insights. Together, let's create a healthier, happier, and more financially secure future. Until next time, take care, embrace life's joys, vibe positively, and be well.